Gamitin natin.
Erasin mo na yung iba.
Okay, I'll delete the other. And but it's for that. Ano, malapit na ba?
Nawala naman siya. Baka naman sasakay pa lang sila.
Here's something. Yun na! Kita ko na. Lilipad na! Lilipad na!
How do you know?
May nakita akong sharp tail. Yung tail nila.
Ano?
Nakita ko. I don't see any.
Baka local lang yung mga Cebu Pacific na yun.
Oo,
Maliliit lang.
Kapis.
Yun na!
Yung din naman natin international flight, yung nakataxi din yung
Baka yun ang international. Yung malala. So, bakit ka nandiyan? Si Ruel ka?
sige, okay lang. Dito muna ako.
Wala, yun na, 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 yun na. Yun na.
Hindi yan nakabuelo. Dapat nakabuelo sila.
Nakabuenos.
3:15 isa.
Subway. Yan.
Runway 01. Okay. Okay, ready for performance.
Ay, fine.
Partnering with university researchers to turn his skills and know-how into data.
Matagal din yan, yung muna. Yung isa dun ay paalis dun, baka mag-review.
Far from the esoteric world of high-end sushi, conveyor belt sushi chefs all over Japan busy themselves to provide as much sushi as possible for their customers.
Ano yung access ko?
Business's popularity exploded with the help of a certain
I-type mo lang yung H01. Log in lang.
Na ginagawa ko dito. Yung preparing for my flight.
Isa matay nito. Matay nga matay mo. Malam. Ba tayo?
Take off, take off, take off. Take off.
Yun o, nag-take off na.
capable of producing about 4,800 pieces of sushi rolls.
Kita mo dito kahit nakahiga.
The sushi roll
Naririnig naman
at a
yun.
time when the Japanese started to diversify.
Saan galing yun, Kaden? Yun ba yung mabagal kanina?
Maybe.
Doon siya ng budget sila.
Wala. Dapat high. Done.